Do you know that you could save a lot of money on tax if you live in a rented home? If you receive house rent allowance as part of your salary, and if you are living on rent, then you can claim exemption under Section 10(13)(a). The amount you can claim must be the least of the following: actual HRA received or 50% of basic salary, plus dearness allowance if you live in a metro, 40% if you live in a non-metro, or actual rent paid minus 10% of your basic salary plus dearness allowance. Let's take an example. Aditya lives and works in Mumbai. How much tax exemption can he claim? 1. 50% of his basic salary is equal to 1,92,000. 2. His actual HRA is 1,80,000. 3. His total rent less 10% of his basic salary works out to Rs 2,01,600. He can claim exemption for the least of the three, which is 1,80,000, or second option. Can you claim house rent exemption if you do not receive HRA as part of your salary, or if you are self-employed? Yes, under Section 80GG, you can claim tax exemption on rent paid even if you don't receive HRA. You can claim exemption up to the lowest of the following: Rs 60,000 per year, or 25% of your income, or total rent paid minus 10% of your total income, minus capital gains. Let's illustrate with an example. Lucky's income for the year is Rs 2,20,000. He has paid rent of Rs 1,20,000. How much exemption can he claim? He can claim the lowest of the following: Rs 60,000, or 25% of his total income, which is 55,000, or Rs 1,20,000 minus 22,000, which is 98,000. Option 2 is the lowest, so Lucky can claim Rs 55,000 as exemption. Whether you are salaried or self-employed like Aditya and Lucky, you too can save tax on your home rent.